Can you guess what we're making in the Ninja Foodie grill today? Yeah. No. We're not making ribeyes in the Ninja Foodie grill. We're going to be making Ninja Foodie ribeye burgers. Yes. Thanks to a UK viewer. His name is Adam. I'm not sure. I'm not going to give a last name. Adam he suggested it on the last video. I can't remember what video because it's been a few weeks. He suggested me doing a ribeye burger. So that's what we're going to do here today. And thank you so much, Adam, for that PayPal donation. Adam, this is sponsored by Adam from the UK, this video. So I'm going to start right with the ribeyes. This is 3 ribeyes. How many pounds is this? I mean, check. I just have the package here. This is 2.8 pounds of ribeyes. Boneless ribeyes. That's the Angus. So, and what we're going to do is, depending, there is quite a bit of fat here, so I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to see how much fat we're going to add because it's pretty nicely marbled as well. So like when I grind meat, for instance, this is what I do. Remember, I'm not making sausages. So a lot of times what I do, if you're making sausages, you want to partially freeze this meat because it just comes out better when you make sausages. But this is for hamburgers. So there's a huge chunk of fat right there. So I am going to, what I like to do, you're going to cut it into strips like that. I might cut some of this fat off. Reserve this fat. You might need it to add it to the hamburger. The meat is all set to go. For the KitchenAid, I'm going to make sure there's a latch back here to make sure it's down. You're going to remove this portion of it. Just put that off to the side. You're going to take, oh, it's still wet. I just washed it. Going to put that in there just like that. You're going to take, this is the square end, place it right in there. Then you're going to take that screw, and you're just going to screw this in. You're going to take, this is the grinder scraper thingy. You're going to put that in there. Then you're going to take this and put this in. Then you're going to take this, put it right here. There. I usually do it just finger tight, but this is like a contraption that comes with it, so you can actually, there. That is like super tight. This end, this is what you're going to push down the meat with. Try not to put your fingers in there. You're going to push down the meat with that. Go ahead and turn this on. You're going to take the meat, long strands, just put it in. This one's noisy compared to the KitchenAid. You're just going to push it down. You're going to see that lovely meat. Look at that. Now this is a finer grind, if you guys can see that. We are done grinding the meat. It's like lefty-loosey. Just like that. I'm just going to take the whole thing over to the sink and then we'll take it apart over there. We're using the new grill today. You want to make sure the splatter screen it is. We're actually using the grill grate today. The roasting pan is in, the grill grate is in. I'm going to go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to turn it on. We're going to use grill. We're going to use high. We're going to hit start. So while this is preheating, we're going to go over to the burgers and shape our burgers. Alrighty, so this is how we're going to make a hamburger. This is a Skippy peanut butter lid. If you don't have, I do have a burger maker, but I said, well, most people have like a peanut butter lid in their house. Oops. All right, this is a 5.2 ounce burger or 146 gram hamburger. For all my UK viewers out there, I should be doing everything in UK terms because it is sponsored by Adam from the UK. There's the burger right there. Go ahead and open the lid. We're going to take these beautiful burgers. That's exactly what we want to hear. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. This defaults to 10 minutes. So I'm thinking these hamburgers should take around 10 minutes if you want them well done. If you want them rare, they're probably going to be done quicker. we're gonna see what happens with the 10 minutes. So the grill just told me to flip, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And it is smoking just a bit. I want to be completely honest with everybody. And it will smoke, especially when you flip burgers. All right, it's 98 degrees. Close it up. Now that I know these hamburgers, this is 98 degrees. For instance, for my father, it would probably only a few more minutes cook time for a rare hamburger. But everybody's cook time is different. We're gonna do it for the 10 minutes and we're gonna see how these burgers are. So we do have like a minute and 10 seconds left. Wow. Yeah, this is smoking just a bit, just so everybody's aware of that. It's still bleeding just a bit, I can see it, but I know I'm being gentle. Yeah, this is 144. So, you know something? Let me pull one of them. I'm just gonna flip it over because it's oozing. Oh! It fell apart. Look at that. Oh. So this one I'm pulling with a minute, 10 seconds left. I am going to go ahead and cook the other one for the remainder minute. We have a few seconds left. Okay, it's done. I will temp it because somebody out there will probably want to know what the temp is right now. The temp right now is 158.59. So it's probably going to be $1.65 as we get done. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to pop these burger buns in here. This is done. I don't want these too brown. So it was about 32 seconds. Woo! Hot, hot, hot. Take this burger. Burger's kind of small for that bun. Now what I am going to do, I'm taking my favorite Maldon, because this is what I would put on a steak. So I'm taking a little bit of this Maldon salt, and we're putting it right on the burger. Now I'm not going to put ketchup on here. If you have steak sauce, you can go ahead and use steak sauce, or I think in the UK, what's that stuff called? Is it HP sauce? Because our local supermarket, surprisingly enough, has a little baby British/Irish section. Like they have this stuff, ambrosia. If anybody out there can tell me what that ambrosia is, I will buy one and try it. But they have like mushy peas and certain candy bar. They have like a small section, and they got the Heinz, like the beans that you guys buy in the UK. So this is going to be unadorned. I just want to, you can add whatever you want. You can go ahead and add cheese. We're just using these just unadorned. So yeah, I would probably make a bigger burger for this size bun, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So I did cut these burgers in half because I did want to show you. One's a 9-minute burger and the other one's a 10-minute burger. Here's the 9-minute burger. This is not a burger. This is a ribeye burger. There it is right there. So it's well done. And here's the 10-minute burger. Yeah, it's well done. I can tell by looking at it. There it is right there. So let's give these a little taste here. And yeah, the burger should actually be bigger for the bun. It does need like a sauce of some sort. It's good. The everything bun takes away from the burger. So let me try it plain. It's good. It needs a sauce like you could even use ketchup if you wanted to. If I had like a little bit of steak sauce, maybe like a little steak sauce with like a little bit of mayo, mix those two together. I think it'd be really good on here. And let me take this one. This is the 10-minute. They're not as compact as like like those Bubba burgers. That's what we were talking about. The Bubba burgers are kind of like hockey pucks. These are more, they're more open. They're more, I don't know. They're just different. So if you want to take the time, you can make ribeye burgers. You can take any type of meat. Just get your meat to fat ratio correct, because you want like an 80-20 to make a really, really good hamburger. Welcome back. This is a continuation on the ribeye burgers. I did give a review, but that was on a well done burger, and I didn't let the meat chill. Or this meat, it was actually, I'm going to be truthful with you guys. This has been frozen for about a week. I took it out yesterday, and we're going to make ribeye burgers with this, so it had a chance to chill. We're also going to season it. We're going to add salt, pepper, and garlic, and then we're going to put Havarti cheese on top and make a terrific cheeseburger. So yeah, let's season. We're going to turn it on. We're going to hit grill. We're going to leave it on high, and we're going to hit start. This is about a pound of ground ribeye. I'm going to take kosher salt. You can use whatever salt you want. Probably like a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Use fresh ground black pepper. Half a teaspoon. Also using granulated garlic. This is also going to be like a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. We're just giving this just a little bit of flavor. Now you can use your bare hand or you can use a glove. I'm opting to using a glove. And we're just going to mix this up. We're just going to see if there's a difference. Should you season your meat? Since, I mean, you did grind it yourself, so do you want to flavor / season your meat? And I can tell already that I think by chilling your hamburger, this is going to make for a better burger. And we're also going to freeform this. Now, this is a pound of hamburger, so we could actually make half-pound burgers if we wanted to. Yeah, let's make 2 Whopper-sized burgers. So we're taking, this is a half-pound burger. We're just going to shape it the best way that we can. This might be a little misshapen, but it gives it that rusticated look. These are giant. Perfect. We're just waiting for the Ninja FOODI grill to preheat. It is preheated. This says to add food. We're going to open it up. Perfect. Go ahead and close the lid. Okay, so it's telling me to flip the burgers, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them. And this usually is the only time that you're going to actually get smoke. It's usually when you flip. Not all the time. And these are giant burgers. I'm going to do a quick temp. All right, 76 degrees. Going to go ahead and lower the lid. So we have about a minute left. I do want to do a quick temp. All right, 107, 108. Whoa. I'm going to cook these for the remaining minute, and we're going to pull them. So with about 30 seconds left, I am going to go ahead. We're going to put his burger. I'm putting 2 pieces of cheese on for my father's burger. This is Havarti. And I am going to, I'm only cooking 1 bun for him. Boom. All right, so about 20-25 seconds has gone by. These are done. I wish I had lettuce and tomato and chopped up onion to serve this burger with, but I'll just take a cheeseburger with ketchup and mustard any day. Now, yeah. Let me show you the larger half. My hands are so, this is hot. Now, I'm going to show you what the burger looks like. Look at that. Yeah. So, the previous burgers that we made, they were smaller and overcooked. Well, to me, my mouth's watering just thinking about it. This hamburger is super moist, super juicy. I got ketchup all over my hands, and yeah. Now this is an excellent, to me, ribeye burger. I mean, yeah. Let's just do that taste test. Yeah. So, yeah. Now, I do want to reiterate, no, not reiterate. I do want to tell you one thing. This does not taste like a ribeye steak. By grinding those ribeye steaks, it changes the texture, changes the flavor, changes everything about it. But who can deny this super juicy burger. Yeah. So guys, take the time. I mean, I would. If you have a grinder, don't go out and buy one if you're not going to use it. But if you want to grind your own meat, and I think by chilling it made it even better, and also seasoning it. This, most excellent. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, everybody. Oh, this is so good. Oops, I forgot this one was for my father. Well, he's going to have half of this one and take that one. And I got to pop down to the freezer and get him another bun. Whoopsies.